Okay. So another problem is P again, di ko makatrack sa ano yung SP but ibubutang ko lang ini after kaya nakalimto ko na ko yung SB. So but anyway, I know that this is one of the problems that I have to show you a video solution for support. So ari na kita equation of a circle after ano to last natin naging istoryahan. Midpoints ano to natin last naging solve, that is yeah, after x and y intercepts, we are now on the equation of a circle. So again, post ko lang liwatan iya standard form. Kita niyo yun, ito na LP. Ato dito discuss ko ng piso. But then again, flash ko lang kaya para makita niyo ini nga paano igamiton ini. Di ba yung mga blue kasi bagan kung amulat imo tatandaan, amo ito pinakamalaksi mga masasabtan niyo nga pag makita kami ito, uy amo ini. So dito ya kay kuan ini summary, bagan summary iton mga blue nga akin bubutang dito iyo mga LPs. I mean ang blue nga discussion nga side. So this is an equation of a circle. So this is a circle. Makita nga ni kamuhin may dan actually makita nga ni kamon x naka-squared tapos imo y naka-squared tapos may plus sabot nga, expect a circle from that. So kaya amin it equation tong circle, di ba? May general form kasi ito ya. For example, an imo straight line. Pag makita ka mo imo y, waray power, pati nimo x waray power, tapos may mga numbers na nga da, tapos waray nimo x y nga magsapit, meaning bulagan nimo x, iba nga term, nimo y, iba nga term, expect a straight line. Di ba? Pag makita ka mo imo x naka-squared, animo y dire, or animo y naka-squared, animo x dire, tapos may number nga da, nga waray x nga y nga nagsagol, expect a parabola. Sugad kasi ito ya. I think this is the subject, analytical geometry in high school. So, tigam din nila ito. May da kami ito. Kay, labi naan, may da kami ito kay, may da ito nga tanan, no? Analytical geometry, liwat, bisan mga papyaw. But anyway, kung waray, di, kailangan ka mo maglaksin yan na. So this is your ano ka pa ito? Uy. Babalin ko kasi na double. Okay. So the problem now, ito nga SP, find an equation of a circle with radius 3 and center 2, 5. So to answer that one, all you have to do is just substitute it didi. Makita ka mo general form xy tapos may r. Ito nga imo h kay amo ito man no klaro with center at HK. So it imo center, it imo x coordinate is h. And center ito nga circle. And then your y coordinate for your center of the circle is k. So pag saring find an equation of the circle with radius 3 and center, animo x2, animo y is 5. So masaring kala ito. Solution. Ano ito? Solution. To find the equation, isa-substitute lahat nimo x minus adit imo x, hanat imo x adi. This is your x. So x minus sa itong formula. X minus 2 kay positive man didto, and then you have to square it plus y minus k. Y minus k that is y, kakapiyon lang nimon y minus tapos negative didi so magiging plus ano ha, pwede tiya sige apilon tat solution negative tapos negative 5 kay minus kasi didi usually amo to kasi nagsasayop ka mo kay bisan ako amo to nak mga sayapan una mga negative la pag kinuan so klaro tanga that is y minus then your value of your y is negative 5 dila didi mano negative 5. So, and then I have to close it, parenthesis, x squared, and then your equation of a circle with radius 3. Again, your radius is r. So, substitute lang ito dito, 3 squared. So, pwede pat niyo simplify para baga di rin malaing kitaon. Actually, x minus 2 squared plus pwede na kita igawas tayo ni y, nagiging plus. Kaya negative so may plus 5 squared is equal to, pwede natin i-solve ang 3 squared, that would be 9. This is actually the ginatawag na standard form of that circle. So this is a circle with this equation. standard form. As I far as I can remember, may din general form, sasolve mo ito nga tanan. O, sige ha, this is standard form ha. Anyway, wala man magsaring dida kung standard form, hanig equation, or general form. So, kung wala nga magsaring, pinakamasayon tighatag because this is also an equation in standard form. Pero kung general form, I think you really have to isasulod mo tiya x squared minus 2 negative 2 4 negative 4 2 times x negative 4x tapos plus 4 so kadit tiya tapos didi you have y squared you have plus 10y so that is 2 times 5 times y so that's how you do it for a binomial and then plus 5 squared which is 25 squared there is times 2 and last and then you have 9 tapos imo pa ito simplify you would have x squared tapos gathering up pwede mo itong tampuhon 4x and then you have y squared plus 10y tapos igpa-plus naman 4 plus 25 that will give you 29 plus 29 so equals to 9 so kung tangkaray ko tanggalon kuandida usually ito 9 gintatabok ito didi tapos ginsi 0 didi ito general form so you only have to say ano ito you only have to minus 9 and then you have to minus 9 again gindugang ko lang mine pagtanggal ladi ha gibutan ko dan minus 9 so you would have x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 10y plus 20 is equal to 0 that is now actually the general form pero kay ang problem wala man magsaring nga ighatag ang general form actually pwede na kamo didi nag-stop ini answer ini wala na kamo mag-solve ini again pero kung ang problem nagsaring give the general form of that circle amo ito answer lawat at general form okay so that is for letter A how about for letter B pupos ko na ka ng piso kaya andamang ko tanggalong ko takong solution so yan gimbaling ko lang ako answer tapos ginpahawan ko kaya magsasolve ako letter B so again putting your answer which is this one x minus 2 squared churva and this the SF stands for the standard form and then I solve it para lot makakuha akong general form so to answer that find an equation saan mo lang itong pakiana bisan di kita mag-graph actually para yun nga problem para makatipid pero kung di ka mo nakakaintindi mas mo pa actually mag-graph niyan mag-graph kita or pwede lang at mag-graph kita ni kadua nga solution using GeoGebra okay boring na mag-giger na preserhin mano-mano diba so for letter B find an equation so amo gapit ya pakiana actually mamimiling kan equation hindi nga circle ang ginatagla actually points duha ka points wherein those points ito nga duha nga points diba P18 ngan Q ito nga ranan mga point P and point Q which is a coordinate of 18 and a coordinate of 56 ano man nga mga point the end points of a diameter so meaning kung may da ka circle may dani mo diameter amo ito yung din nga katapusan so ito nga mga points paano ka man ito makakakuha sa circle of the line makikita na yan general form is you really have to find the centers first so papamilngon mo iniabot nga ini para mo mabutangan ito nga h nga okay tapos to find r you only have to find the distance of these 2 points ani nga do nga point kuhaan mo nga nito distance ito you would now have the r the radius I mean the diameter so tungaon mo so that would be the radius now or usually first kasi pagkuha ang coordinates ng h and k magamit kahan anatong topic ka na di which is the midpoint formula midpoint formula so pag naggamit kan midpoint formula makukuha mo nga h ngan k nganti kang itida pwede mo na lakuhaon ito nga midpoint tapos usa era nga distance and that will give you the r or pwede liwat i-divide we'll do it in both para sir masaya si sir pagkore-kore sir Tigad kay Sirman. So ano to ti unang himuon? We'll find the ano to unahon, the center. So to find center we only have to find the midpoint formula. So na naton midpoint formula. So gimpla-plus nato ng mga x. So midpoint, to find the center, you have to use the midpoint formula. So ano to? Gimpla-plus nato ng x nga duha, and then 1 plus 5, tapos gindi-divide nato in 2. Diba? And then an imo y, so for y, gimpla-plus nimo an duha nga y, 8 plus negative 6, tapos gindi-divide nato in 2. Diba? As simple as that. So this is the midpoint. Midpoint. So isa-solve natin further. The midpoint is 6 all over 2. Or dinala kita. 6 all over 2 for your x. And then sayop nga nini. Dapat wala ini nga line. Adila. Ito. Ito bugos ini. May eraser back dito. Yan, dapat para ito. So, gadit ya. Okay. Paisar ka damot kuan. 6 over 2. And then, the 8 plus 6. Pero man. 8, that would be 8 minus positive 6. That would be 2 all over 2. So, the center is 6 over 2. That is positive 3. And 2 over 2 is positive 1. So, the center really is 3 and 1. I mean, 3, 1. Coordinates of 3, 1. So, this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint of that circle. Midpoint of that circle. Circle midpoint having that equation. May papamilog tapat equation. So that 3, 1, and then nakuha tanan midpoint. So may dana kita ikaka-substitutehan x, h nganin k. So yan at problema pag substitutehan r. So to find that r actually that radius. So, maaram kita nga that is diameter all over 2. So, wherein the diameter is the distance of those 2 points. So, maasan lang kita. Diameter actually is the distance. Sinibay lang natin 2. Diba? Go. Distance is, another distance formula? The square root of, so positive line niya because your distance, diri pwede magkamay-adahin negative distance. Diba? So, positive la. Kung may square root kita, pero maninti ang positive la nga root, kita itong kukuha ito kay you cannot have a negative distance. Kay taton ito permitted distance is a scalar quantity. May lot of physics, but anyway. Diameter, that would be an imo x, ginma minus. So, unahon ko ano and q, kay medyo ada masayo na. Unahon ko na lat 1, no? 1 minus 5, and then squared, plus your y liwat, your 8 minus 6, 8 minus negative 6 squared. So, all over 2. All over 2. Again, you have your diameter over 2. Because that is the distance. And then, you would have the square root of, 1, 5, that is negative 4. Negative 4 squared plus 8 plus 6, that would be 14. So, that would be 8, 6, 14 yan 14 squared. So, from that, you would have 4 times 4 is 16. 16. And then your 14 squared is 4. War calculator ha. Idaanay baya 1. 4 times 4, that is 16. Carry 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 5. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. You would have 196. So, you would have 196. The square root of that. May dapay ni over 2 ha. Sorry. So, may dapay ni over 2. So, and then, let's just continue. Hain ka na. Hain ka na akong lapis. So, we have 16. 6 plus 6, that is 2. And 1 plus 9. That is 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1 again, and then you have 1 plus 1, you would have 1 plus 1, 2. 212. So, the square root of 212 all over 2. Sir, paano man sir kung wala ka calculator? Actually, kung wala ka calculator, properly ha, algebra. Okay, sino tagod di kita magamit calculator? Ito yung best way is to divide it by 2 first. So, actually, kung di ka magamit calculator, labi na kung dapat ka actually may ara, may calculator, wala calculator. So, what you're going to do is, of course, use your prime numbers. 212 divided by 2, that will give you 106. Diba? I-divide mo ito. So, that is 106 over 2. Adiliwat, pwede mo i-divide into 2. Mga 2, prime numbers, you start from the smallest. So, kung ma-divide mo yahin 2, 20, that would be 53. 53 and 2. O, yun. And you stop from that. Bali, may equal mo na hiya to the square root of 2 nga 2 squared, and then you have your 53 all over 2. So again, kung algebra ya, pwede ni gumawas 2 kay may squared na ya, and then 53 all over 2. So pwede din makancel. You now have answer of square root of 53. Kung may calculator. So that would be it, square root of 53. So now the radius is square root of 53. So now we can already answer that question. Find an equation of the circle. So the equation of the circle is you have x equation, answer, solution na yun katimanan kuan x minus center at 3. So 3x minus 3 and then squared plus y minus k, you have y minus 1, so positive nga duwa squared, and then you would have r, which is the square root of 53, tapos naka-squared hiya. So kung general kung standard formula x minus 3, nakita pag general form kay may laban na liwat. But anyway, kung papakorean ka mo ni sir, but anyway, this is a general form, there's a standard form, damo para tirang up form. But anyway, amatak na yun duman lalaw, standard form ng general form. Y minus 1, kapilatya, y minus 1 squared, and then magawas like 53. So that is now your answer. That is, find an equation. This is now the equation of that circle. So we've already answered A and B using, bisan mo rin mag-graph ha. Bisan mo rin mag-graph, actually makaka-answer kami ito. Pero of course, for your sake, mag-graph kita pero solution to. Kaya magamit lang ako yung GeoGebra. So again, an iyo graphing apart, pwede niyo manu-manuhon. Anay, palanat nga nanay. Anak ko sinisiring nga kadua nga solution para lang nga part nga manu-mano. So nasiring ako nga pwede kaliwat magkuha ang distance between the midpoint and one of those points. Ini nga 1/8, pwede nga 1/8. So pwede ka magkuha ang distance, so that would be your radius. And ginalsolve naman nato ng midpoint, so pwede ka lang ito kumuha an imo hini nga 3,1. Hini nga 3,1 amo tagagamit ng pagkuha radius. So that is the distance between the radius points, the radius, the center point, which is 3 na lang. 3 minus 1 squared plus 1 minus negative 6 squared. Okay na. So that would give us the square root of 3 minus 1, that is negative 2 squared, plus you would have 1 plus 6, that would be 7 positive squared. So next is you would have your 2 squared, that would be 4, plus 7 times 7, of course, that is 49. So 49 plus 4, of course, that would give you the square root of 53, which is the same han aton nakuha didi, di man? So we have the same radius. So amatak sinisiring, you can do it like that. Pwede lang tanong sa nga points. ano sa kaya ano sa mo lang nga gingamit naton nga point, di ba? As you can see, duduay ito nga point. Ito diba no? Duduay ito ka point. Ang akong gingamit la is 18, 18. Ang Q aray pa gumamit. So pwede mo gamiton Q. Okay, and then we proceed to the next formula. So good afternoon guys. I will continue in having a second solution for the last problem. This problem A and B. So this is about circle. The first one is alternating a solution using probably other applications. Bangin damo rin maintindihan. So find an equation of the circle with radius 3 and center 2, 5. As I've said, I will be using GeoGebra. This is a free app. May dini Windows version, may dalawat ini Android actually nag-install akin akong tablet kausa. So, makikita nato yung problem letter A. For letter A, nasa ring lahiya, find kuno an equation of a circle with radius 3 and center 2, 5. So first, siguro ibutang ko na niya center. Gusto sulat ito pagsurat dida, and then you put 2, -5. So na, naghatag na yan yung points. So that's your center. And then the next one is with radius 3. So kung may da ka radius 3, pwede ko adi pidliton la. Nakita na yung center. A circle with center through point. So tikang kuno ito nga center, mahatagla ko 3. Bisan tipakadi o tipakadi para pleho la ito. What if umada ako 1, 2, 3. You'll just count 3 because it says that the radius is 3. So I just pointed at the center, and then going out from that circle, that is the radius. Diba? So buhi, and then it will already give you this answer. Kumbaga di. So it already give you an answer. Nag-spit hiya dayon. So may nakita dayon answer for letter A. Diba? Sir, paano man kami sir ito makakakuan? Mabayan, karaglan niyo mag-try. Nga, karag niyo gumamitin apps. Mas malaksi kasi, maintindihan ni dayon niyo. Yan I'm telling you, magsayon pa yung mga problem. Pagkatot mag-core, of course, hassle na mag-go through ka pa ini. Of course, kung maaram ka na, you might probably use an app, an application. Pero kung di ka maaram, mas mapay-good nga, manumanuhon mo ito. So, naghatagya dahil na answer. So, that is the answer from letter A. Tapos, then imo H, that is positive 2, negative 5. Center, di ba? Kaya na minus man. So, minus, ini positive 2, ini di ba natin general equation na natin circle? That would be positive. So, center ini is 2, -5. So, that is plus 2, minus 5. And kisubstitute natin ng equation natin. Kita niyo itong equation. And then, as I told you, may dat niya another solution. I mean, general form. This is the standard form. So actually, kung kikitaon mo niya, may din niya option man. Kaya kita settings. Kaya ko nga net advance, I think scripting algebra. Kaya ko nga net algebra, pidlitong ko adi, may kita niyo nga may dali ang general form. So yun nga GeoGebra, may dala niya 3 tulo ka form. Parametric form, and then your general form, and then your standard form. So actually, ang general form, pidlitong ko nga na di, ma-convert it yadaan to general form. Na akong kinsolve kanina. So kita alad to ninyo, di ba? So malaksi. Ito nang ginhimo kanina. So ipapaste ko lang didi. So this is the general form. You have a x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 10y minus 20. Danay din ni 0. So, kalatiya. Para lagap ito. Kung plus 20 nga diha kaluyo or minus 20 nga diha equals to minus 20. Baga nito yan din nga tanan nga may variable diha left. Tapos nga tanan nga constant or we usually call it constants is diha right side. So, that is for letter A. And then for letter B, find an equation of a circle that has points P, 1, 8. So, pwede talaga diliton. Magap, equation gap iti ginaaro. So, aray, solve dayon, di ba? Okay, delete. Tapos, ano yung pagkaana is, may dani mo points P 18. So duha ka point ini nimo diameter. P you have equal 18. Enter, and then you have ano nga point Q 5 negative 6. You have a Q which is 5 negative 6. Diba? So hay nito ya. Pagutayon ta kay medyo dako. So inihira kasi amoy ni anong saring ito yung problem. This is the end point of a diameter. So ibig sabihin, ini nga point is katapusan na nimo diameter, meaning it circle ni somewhat exist ani dinhi. Di ba kay kuan ini? So what we do actually nakikita ko yung pinakamadagmit nga solution is using this midpoint of a center. So pwede ko niya ini nga duduha, i-click ko lang ya ini. O to na naghatag yan midpoint, which is naghatag yan midpoint which is at 3-1. Diba? Tapos pwede dayon tikang ito dida, pwede nakdayon magpareho ka na naginhimo. Adi from midpoint I will stretch. Kaya makikita niyo nga maiigo ito nga duha nga point kay midpoint nira. So kung maghimo akong circle era, pack, and then I already have that circle for letter B. So the equation of the line is x minus 3, y minus 1, 53. So that's how easy it is in solving using GeoGebra. Pagka ka mo, sir, pwede sir sugad na la. Agin, ginihimo kula ini para damor ka mo makaintindi. Pero kung solution wise, maliban lang kung ada talaga ako nagkikita, and then I will ask questions. Makasabot ako kung maaram ka mo nga nagamit na kamot apps, or para ka mo sa rabutan karegla niyo makakagibunching amo nagamit kamot apps, and that's a different story because we really wanted our students to know the subject, di rila kay to know the applications. Diba? So actually dapat hisitan nga kita paggamitin in applications, and maupila kasi may mga apps is malaksi. Kita daw akong solution is so fast. So this is the equation for letter B. The answer for letter B, find an equation. So that's the equation of the circle. Okay? Hana, tool. Thank you guys.